just to review our recording, to set any channels so that we're building our cue, you can either use the faders or you can press the number key of the channel, press at whatever percentage you want. 50% would be half, full is all the way up, out is 0, and you press enter. So reviewing that on the board again, we've got 1 and 2 at full, enter. Okay, or go out, or you can do 1 and 2 at full. So it's easy when you have the full ones to use the faders. Okay, and I'll take those out. Just to review, to record a cue, you're going to press the record button, then cue, then the number, then enter. Coming over to the board, record, cue, 205, enter. Okay, and that recorded 205. Now say you want to add a certain time lapse to that. You may have to make sure you're in the right cue number. If it's the cue you just recorded, you will already be there. If it's a previous cue, you'll have to put in the cue number. Then you can press time, enter the amount of time, and you press enter. Coming over to the board. Okay, we're already in 205, so all I would have to do is press time, 1 second fade, enter. If I wanted to do it for a different one, I would have to do cue, 202, time, we'll go 6, enter. So you can see the yellow tells me what cue I'm currently in. The little yellow box tells me the cue that I'm working on. And you can see that those changes were made. I'll do it here so you can see it one more time. So we'll do cue, 203, time, 2, enter. So you can see how it changed on the board. Okay. And remember that cue that we wanted to change after we recorded it? We had to press update, then cue, and the cue number, and then enter. So if we wanted to change 203 to a blackout, which is what we're currently in, we would go update, and we're in 203 right now, but I'm going to put 203, and then I press enter, and that took us to a blackout. So if I go to cue 202, you'll be able to see on the board, okay, that's 202, and see now it's complete. And if I press go, it'll take me to the updated 203. Okay. Last thing I want to do is say I want to copy 203 to 205. So if I'm copying a cue, I've got to make sure I'm in the right cue number first. That's the one I want to copy. I like that one. I'm going to press the copy to button. I'm going to program the cue and the number that I want it to copy to, and I press enter. So in this example, we're going to copy 203 to 206. Come down here. I want to press cue, 203, copy to, cue, 206, 206. Press enter, and that did it on the board. Now say I want to copy that to 207 just so you can see what it changes on the screen. Copy to 207. And there we go. I've got two cues that look exactly the same. Very silly, but it at least gives you the idea of how to do it on the board. Now we've looked at how to use the Lightboard to record cues and program looks. And you've gotten a sense from class today, hopefully, of where the lights are and how directional light can affect a look. So next class, be prepared to come in and pick a few channels that you want to practice recording on. You're going to have to use both the faders and the keyboard to show me that you understood the video and that you know how to program the board. You may please bring in any notes that you took from this lecture. The other thing I want to encourage you to do is bring some homework or a book or your iPad, so you will have some downtime next class while other people get to practice recording. So please bring something to entertain yourselves. You will not be able to get up and wander the room or play with the ball or go outside. So you need to bring work to do. All right, hope you have a nice night, and I will talk to you later.